Greetings, Joyner families. My name is Kimberly Foster. I'm the principal at Joyner Elementary School, and our staff is so excited about the upcoming school year. We are ready to see our kids. We're ready to engage in learning opportunities for them. The plans that we've been putting together the past few weeks, and at this point the past few months, they are plans in place to continue to allow our students to learn and grow in all ways each and every day, but also our core values of helping them to be responsible, resourceful, respectful, and safe. And parents, we want you to know that as we embrace this new school year in a brand new era with a brand new experiences, that we want our children to have memories, to make memories, and to be able to look back on their time as kindergarten, first, and second graders, and those be bright times in their future, but also in their past. We have details on our website. We welcome you to visit those websites for details and or call our campus if we can answer any questions for you that you may have concerning our upcoming school year together. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you soon.